Okay guys, got a 2005 Ford Mustang here, doing all kinds of stuff to it. So click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. If you own a Ford Mustang this year and you want to see a lot of stuff like lower control arm, brakes, alternator, etc. There's a bunch here. So we're going to do just an oil change. 5W30, 4.7 quarts, so get yourself 5 quarts. Get yourself a 13 millimeter and get yourself an oil wrench. I'm going to use that one there. So I got her up in the air already. I'm doing some other work. So there's that control arm if you needed it. Again, so click on my name and you'll see it. So let's crawl underneath. There's the bolt right there. I think you can see that. That's the one we're going to crack loose and drain into the oil into this. So let me get that draining. So I got the bolt loose already. Taking it out. We'll set it aside and let that drain. Now, if you'll look right up there, I think I can get my arm to twist like that. Right there is the oil filter that we'll be taking off. Right there. Got oil all over my hands, but yeah. So right where you pulled the bolt out, just go straight up to the right, and that's where it's at. So we'll use that oil filter wrench. You can probably get a hold of it with your hands and a wet rag. That works really good. Get a damp wet rag and grab hold of it with your hands and twist counterclockwise. You can get them off sometimes with that, but we got the oil wrench, so let's use it. All right, let me get that off. Okay, so now you can see it a little bit better. I've already got it loose. So now we're just gonna spin it down. Let it spill all over your hand a little bit because, oh, not that much, because we're gonna have to lube up the new filter. So, got a little bit on my hands. Here's the new one. It's an S2 STP. If you like STP, it's S as in Sam 2. We're gonna put oil around here. And that's going to help seat it a little bit. And now we can get it spun back up in there. Okay, and there she is. Now we're rolling on. I don't know why it's so blurry there, but I don't know why I can't get it started. There it goes. Alright. Alright, let me snug that up. We'll put our bolt back in as well into the drain pan, which is right here. I know that's not showing very good. Hard to get that going. There it is. Now you can see it. It's dripping about that much. That's okay. So we'll button it up. Tighten it up. If I could hold that camera still, making you guys nauseous. That's it. I'll give that a snug. Now we'll go up top, put some oil in this thing. Okay, now we're just going to put 4.7 quarts in there and top it off, and then we'll pull the dipstick, check the oil on it, which, let me show you this real quick in case you don't know. So that mark right there is full, that mark there is low. In between the two is equivalent to 1 quart. So if you are halfway in between those two dots, you need to add another half quart. 3/4 of the way, you need to add a quarter, etc. You get it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.